All right, we just got this wired endoscope, which you hook right directly to your phone. So let's check it out and unbox this bad boy. All right, the first thing I see is it comes with a bag that you can put everything in. And there is the instructions. Comes with a bunch of clips for the head. And basically you put this in your iPhone and bam, you've got your system right there. You don't have to hook it up to Wi-Fi or anything. So we're gonna have to try this bad boy out. It looks cool, and I kind of like it. I think it might also hook to, oh look, it's got a USB-C too. So you can do Android, or you can do the new iPhone 15 if you get this. So that's important. And you can do the iPhone 14 and lower. So that's important. I do believe you've got a little clicker here. And we can hook it right up to an iPhone right now if you want. This is a iPhone 12. So we'll just put it in there. Bam, look, it's already working. All right, so app not installed. The accessory camera uses an app you do not have installed. Would you like to get it from the Apple Store? Yes, I would like to get it. App Store, app not installed. Okay, go to the App Store. Look, there it is. Get. So easy. Double click. All right, so now this Chinese company is scraping all my data. Who knows? You gotta take risks in this life. Bam, let's open it. Look how easy this is. Oh wow, look. All right, let's do that. No, let's say no. So yeah, it definitely is working. So anyway, I think this is gonna be pretty cool. Look, see? I'm reading the instruction pamphlet right now. I didn't even need it. You can set this thing up quick. All right, so anyway, here it is. We're in there, and if you look right here, this turns the light up. There's a little switch on it here. You see that? So the light, you can make the light go higher or lower. Here, let me show you. See that? Watch. Goes up and down, right? So now also, this has a number of different heads. All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, so these are all the heads that come with it. This one right here is a magnet. So if you drop something, like a screw, you could attach this to the end of the endoscope, and you could pull it up with that. So let's set that down. This one here is a hook, which you could attach to the end of the endoscope, and when you find whatever you need to hook, you could hook it. Let's set that there. And then this one here has a little mirror on it. Supposedly you're able to look around a corner with this if you put this on the endoscope. And then it also comes with these two extra clips that you can use in case you break one. And I'm going to show you why they have that on there. So if you look at this, basically you've got to put it around this endoscope and then you got to clip it. When you want to get it off, you just got to get your nail under it and pop it. So let me show you again. You get it like that, it clips on. And then to get it off, you go like that. So when you put it on, if you look at this, you're going to see right here, there's a little like collar area. So when you put one of these on here, you've got to slide it down until you get to that. And then all you got to do is kind of like squeeze it together here. Let's see if I can show you. Right there, you see that? And then it snaps. And then it's on. Now to get it off, what you're going to have to do is, let me see if I can get it so you can see it. You got to get your fingernail under there, push against it, and pop it. This is the tricky part here. There we go. So basically I just stuck my fingernail under there and just popped it. And now it'll slide off. You can see it's detached. You see that right there? So that's how you do it. All right, and those are the heads that go on here. I think the one you're going to probably use the most would be this one here, because look, it's a magnet. You're going to probably drop a screw and then you can pick it up like this. Watch. All right, so that's the heads, and that's how they work. And you don't really need them. I mean, if you're just going to look, you could just set it in there like that. If you do break them, if you do break these, they give you a couple extra ones just in case. So I think they're a little fragile. So when you're popping them on and off, just be careful. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Bam, Bob's your uncle.